Hello everybody, my name is Sviatoslav, and in this video I would like to share with you how to heal strabismus naturally. Strabismus is a spasm of one of the straight eye muscle. One eye muscle spasmodic and another is stretch and weak. First of all, you need to learn eye relaxation, facial muscle relaxation. For example, palming is good to relax eye, or just close your eyes for 10 seconds and imagine how your eyes relaxing. But you need to practice daily to learn eye relaxation for about 2 months at least. It's like to go to gym, one training will not give you 6 packs. Strabismus healing eye exercise, for example, if it's a left rectus eye muscle spasmodic, we move our eyes to the right, looking and lightly and softly moving our head in opposite direction to the left, closing our eyes and relaxing them. Basically, when we move our head in the opposite direction, we helping to stretch spasmodic eye muscle. If right rectus eye muscle spasmodic, we look to the left and turning our head to the right. So we help to stretch with the head movement our right eye muscle. If upper rectus eye muscle spasmodic, we look down and moving our head up and stretching even more our upper eye muscle. After each of this movement, we closing our eyes and relaxing eye muscle. If lower eye muscle is spasmodic, we look up and gently moving our head down, closing our eyes and relaxing eye muscle for at least 10 seconds. Before going to bed, you need to listen to meditation for relaxation and to relax your eye muscle. In a relaxed state, eyes can come out of the spasm. You can do a circular rotation, 1 repetition in a clockwise and 1 repetition counterclockwise. Relaxation before and after eye exercises. Thanks for watching. I hope these eye exercises will help you to heal strabismus and to get rid of eye muscle spasm. Subscribe to my channel, comment below if you have any questions, and check out my other videos.